What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Bartender Hideout. Today we are gonna be looking at cocktail number 16 of the cocktail countdown that we're doing. The cocktail countdown obviously is gonna be about the top 50 most popular drinks of 2020 according to Drinks International, which I have left a link to in the description if you want to read along with that one. As I said, cocktail number 16. So today we will be looking at the Corpse Reviver number 1. There is multiple Corpse Revivers, but I'm pretty sure that you'll hear that from someone else in a little bit. Since last week was such a success for our Uncle Bob, I decided to bring him back from now on, and even bigger surprise, he's going to be back every week. So I hope you enjoyed him, because he's going to be here and stay for a while. Without further ado, let's kick you over to Uncle Bob. The Corpse Reviver number 1. One of my favorites for early in the morning. Just like its inventor, the famous bartender Harry Craddock, I like to enjoy this as an amazing hangover cue. Invented, or at least written down in 1930 in the Savoy cocktail book, it has been a classic that has been around for quite a while. Actually, one of the bartenders in the Paris Ritz in the 1920s and 1930s is noted for creating this drink. Frank Meyer, I believe his name was. But he never wrote it down in his book of 1936, The Artistry of Making Drinks. Since Harry was back in London around the same time, let's give him the benefit of the doubt. Mainly because Frank didn't even bother writing it down. Right? To finish with his words next to the recipe, to be taken before 11 a.m. or whenever steam and energy are needed. I think it's time to go back to behind the bar with him. Welcome back, guys. I hope Uncle Bob has been treating you nicely. I hope you learned something from him as well. Now it's time to learn something from me, so I'm gonna be making the Corpse Reviver number 1 for you guys. As Uncle Bob might have told already, there's a couple of other ones. I chose to do the Corpse Reviver number 1. We will be starting with cognac. So I'm using a Martell VS cognac. So we're gonna start off with 45 milliliters, or that is about, I'm not sure how many ounces that is, but as usual you will see it on the screen. Of course, in the meantime, I'm also gonna cool my glass. So get started with that, get that one going. So that is nice and cool once our drink is ready. And then, so we started off with the cognac. Then I have a Calvados, so this is a Chateau de Breuil, and I'll be using 25 milliliters of this, and that is just about an ounce. So it's probably a little less, but again, I'll make sure that it pops up on the screen, so we're definitely sure how that one goes. As a third ingredient, I will be using Martini Sweet Vermouth, so we're gonna be using this, and also, again, 25 milliliters, and the ounces will again pop up on the screen. And there we go. That's the start of where we want to be. All our ingredients are in here. As you can see, it's obviously a stirred cocktail, so we will be stirring. So, add some ice to this one, and whoop, grab our spoon, and there we go. Give it a good stir as usual, because we just want to dilute the drink and also chill the drink, so we have not too strong, because obviously we only added alcohol, right? So we don't want it to be like really punchy. I guess maybe with a name like this, maybe we do want it to be a little bit punchy, but normally when you have only alcohols in a drink, you kind of want to dilute it to make sure that we still have a pretty balanced cocktail here. Let's have a taste in the meantime. I can already really taste the apple that comes through from the Calvados. Definitely for whoever doesn't really know Calvados, Calvados is made from apples, so obviously that's why you have the apple taste there, and that should be all finished. So let's give this one a whirl. Go off with the ice, and then we will be pouring this in. That color is already really nice. I guess it looks a little bit like dark apple juice. And then as a garnish, you can use orange peel. I will be using our dehydrated orange. So again, put that in there just so it looks nicely like a cocktail should. And yeah, I guess that's our Corpse Survivor number 1, guys. And here we are, ready to start tasting. Yeah, you can see, I can definitely feel my corpse being revived already. As I said, it might be a little bit punchy just because I think that's what it's intended to do as well in this cocktail. I guess you don't always have to have like a super balanced cocktail, but it isn't bad at all. Like, it's still, even though you really get those harsh tones from the alcohol, it's still, the taste is quite nice. And me personally, I haven't had this cocktail before. Like, this is a completely new one to me, so still on this road as well, trying to figure out all these different cocktails. But this could definitely be one that I'd order if I'm feeling down on myself, if I'm having a hard day. Maybe the Corpse Survivor actually would pick me up a little bit. But yeah, I implore you guys to definitely make this one at home. Give it a try, see what you think of it. Definitely drop it in the comments if you enjoy this one, or if you enjoy any of the other cocktails, obviously from the Cocktail Countdown or any of the other videos that I made. Make sure to let us know as well that we're doing a good job. Drop a like on this video. Also subscribe if you like what we're doing, and yeah, make sure to stick around if you want to see some more videos. They'll be coming right up. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys next week. Ciao.